Hello, could I please ask for your full name, job role, and a few details about the organisation you represent?
My name is Amit Dua. I work as the president at SunTec Business Solutions, which is the world's #1 relationship-based pricing and billing software. So we help banks and other organizations like telecom industry to price their relationship to the customer and come up with the best products that are suited to them for that context.
It's great to have you here. What are you most looking forward to for today's event?
Oh, well, it's always a pleasure to be here. I've done this every year since it got launched in Europe. And I have to say the size this year is at least double of what it was last year. I think everybody wants to meet everybody else. There's been enough of digital interaction, but there's nothing like meeting people in person. And what I'm looking forward to is, of course, the new industry developments and industry trend. For instance, BaaS, banking as a service, which is very, very hot. And every bank, every retailer wants to explore what can they do in that. Those are the kind of things we are looking forward to.
Wonderful. I want to ask, how must banks gear up for a digital future?
I think it's everything about context. You see, pandemic has changed absolutely everything. When a customer interacts with the organization digitally, it expects an experience which is very, very personalized. So context is everything. In the context, in the moment, as an organization, you need to offer a very personalized experience at the right time, at the right place, with the right price to the customer. So, when you're sitting at home, you want to switch on your TV, you speak to Alexa, and that's very immersive experience. When you're driving, you do the same thing. When you're buying a refrigerator or a TV today, you expect that there's an embedded finance being offered by the retailer via buy now, pay later service. So it's all about the context in the moment experience, and the future is all about that.
How important is personalization in that process?
Very, very. So it's all about personalization. You cannot afford to offer experience which is, a cookie cutter to every client. You have to personalize it. What's the next best product and offer that you've got to come up with to the customer at the right time, at the right place, because like I said, context is everything.
And lastly, is there anything coming in the future that our audience should be looking out for when it comes to SunTec?
Oh yes, certainly. We've had a great year this year. Our order bookings and billings have shot up. We've opened up markets like Australia. We've opened up markets like Nordics, where we've partnered with SEB for actually automating their product to billing lifecycle. We've partnered with the big Danske in Nordics to set up a digital core. And we've done some great things across the world. We partnered with Amazon for their ISV accelerated program. We partnered with Mambu, which is doing great work in the core banking world to offer personalized products and services to their clients. And like I said, BaaS is a very, very big thing. We are wanting to partner with a lot of BaaS providers who want to give experience to fintech providers who are distributors and who can personalize the client journeys.
Well, Amit, it all sounds brilliant, and thank you very much for your time. We really appreciate it.
Thank you, and yours.
Thank you.
Thank you. Pleasure seeing you.